Welcome to a new review. Today the Neewer NW-800 microphone kit. Let's get into the details. It's a condenser mic, almost entirely made of aluminum. It weighs 676 grams. Besides the microphone, you get an in and out XLR cable and also an XLR to mini jack, a 48-volt phantom power adapter, a shock mount, pop filter and a wind filter, and a desktop arm. This mic and its predecessor, the NW-700, is almost the same thing, in my opinion. Reason why I'll compare it side to side. You be the judge.
Neewer NW-800, Neewer NW-800. Entrada de audio a mi Tascam 50%. Distancia del micrófono 15 centímetros. Silencio. Neewer NW-700, Neewer NW-700. Entrada de audio a mi Tascam 50%. Distancia del micrófono 15 centímetros. Silencio.
Currently on Amazon you get this kit for 33.99 euros. Crazy, I know. The mic is miles away from being excellent, but for that price, what you get is simply awesome. Again, my humble opinion. Thumbs up without a doubt. I hope this review was useful. Please feel free to leave comments, suggestions or questions. Until next time.